I go play Subway Surf and make no coin. Let's try it. Could be really funny. Why I'm making no coin and I'm not gonna say nothing. Why it's so funny. So if you like this assault, like the like is good. Let's go. Woo! Jump here. No, there. No, there it. Yes. Jump. Let's go. No coin. No coin. No.
Coin. No. Coin. No. Coin.
No.
Coin.
Let's go. Jump.
Lobby.
Let's go. No, I never pressed these. No. One. Let's try again. Okay, let's go. Okay. Second turn.
Everybody run, jump.
No walker. I won't.
Everybody run, down.
No, again. I need to concentrate. Eu preciso me concentrar. Stop, please.
Okay.
Let's go.
Tá, olha essa música.
It's for speak English. No, never do right. Boom. Let's try again. No, haven't. What are you making? No have to. No have no to make.
Impossible.
Sit an egg to this. This coffee. Let's go.
Quem é do banho, que não tomou banho ainda? Não é pouca.
No, I got a coin. Let's try again. No, I not got aqui. Continue. No, I got coin.
E cadê a roupa de baixo que ainda tá embaixo?
Let's go.
Aí tira a roupa de baixo.
Tu.
Aqui, acender a luz.
What? Let's try again. No, can't walk. No workers. What?
Cheio de sujeira de skate. Eu vou pegar uma toalha.
Let's try again. Final chance. If you know to work, I'm going to start the video. It's off the rack when I get coin. Woohoo! Yeah, let's go! 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 Whoa! I know 4 coins. No! No, guys, I continue, please. Guys, workers, this workers. And again, I'm really so pro. I'm not pro. Okay, ciao, guys.